Welcome to Jainixi Watch Unboxing. Today, we are unboxing the Pagani Design PD1673, a budget-friendly watch that offers a luxurious feel. This watch is a homage to the iconic Royal Oak. So stay with me till the end, because I will also tell you where to buy it and what price you can get it for. Let's start. I had so many questions about this model, and now after seeing it in hand, I really like it. This is the blue dial version. It also comes in white and black. And honestly, the moment you take it out of the box, it looks stunning. The watch has an 8-sided octagon shape, inspired by the Royal Oak. The sharp and angular edges give it a bold and industrial look. The case is made from 316L stainless steel, which is corrosion resistant and gives that solid premium feel. This material makes the watch strong and long-lasting. The bezel is fitted with 8 screws spaced evenly, giving balance and a clean aesthetic. The top surface has a brushed texture, and the edges have a mirror polish, which makes it look refined and premium. The bracelet is made with 316L stainless steel too. Its design is unique. Unlike the Royal Oak, which has 2 joint links, this one uses a single link joint system. It looks simple, yet premium. The bracelet has a brushed finish with polished edges, giving a sophisticated look. It also comes with a butterfly clasp, smooth and stylish. Now, the dial. This is where the PD1673 truly shines. You get a stunning blue grid waffle style, grande tapisserie pattern that gives the dial a premium 3D texture, inspired by the iconic Royal Oak. The subtle sunburst effect plays beautifully with the light, adding an elegant shine from every angle. The rich blue tone feels deep, detailed, and perfect for anyone who loves fine craftsmanship. The hour markers are applied, steel-framed indices paired with Royal Oak-style faceted hands, both filled with a bright luminescent coating. Even in low light, the hands and markers glow clearly, making the watch not just stylish, but highly practical. You also get a clean and neatly positioned date window, adding to its everyday usability. Overall, the design closely echoes the timeless Royal Oak aesthetic. The Pagani Design logo is applied on the dial. Below it you have automatic, and at the bottom, Japan movement is printed. The watch comes with sapphire crystal, which is durable and scratch resistant. The edges have a beveled finish, giving it a smooth and premium look. It has a screw-down crown, which means you can lock it tightly by turning it. This improves the water sealing of the watch. The watch has 100 meters water resistance, suitable for swimming, rain, and light water activities. This watch runs on the Seiko NH35 automatic movement. It's a very reliable and strong movement that has been tested for years. You can even see it working through the exhibition case back. It also comes with hacking and hand winding, so using the watch feels easy and smooth. Pagani uses this movement in many watches because it's one of the best options in this price range. Let's talk about size. 40mm diameter. Perfect size. 46mm lug-to-lug. Fits comfortably on most wrists. 12mm thickness, slim and easy under shirt cuffs. Weight, 168 grams. Solid but comfortable for daily wear. For everyday use, this watch is very comfortable. Now the main question, where to buy? In India, this watch sells between 17,000 to 20,000 rupees on Amazon and Flipkart. But Jainixi Watch is offering this same watch for just 15,000. If you want to buy it, you can contact me directly, comment below, or check the purchase links in the description. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and share this review with your watch lover friends. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook for more watch content daily. See you in the next video.